Hello everyone, this is Mike and this is Day with Phae. Today I will be showing you how to get ready. First, grab the Prep and Prime from MAC. This is a face wetting agent to bring out the luster in your face. So go ahead and spray that on. And then you want to use your egg-shaped cloth to help that wetting agent penetrate your skin. So just dab that right on. Okay, then you want to use your cream jar to protect underneath your eyes. We have a sad day ahead, so this is preparing for tears. Then you want to take your Kylie, I guess it's not lipstick, you want to take your Kylie face paint your face with that. Take your egg again, use your egg dabber, go ahead and dab around real fast. Then take your Amazonian clay. You want this from Amazon Prime. And of course your egg. You want to make sure that clay gets in. The clay helps protect from sun rays. Remember, real fast with the egg. Then you want to take your Kylie Jenner, just as Kylie Jenner. Take your Kylie Jenner and rub it on your face again with your paintbrush. This is to help prepare your face for the next step, which of course is the KKW bow. And use the skin tone that looks most like you. Brush that on. You want to get it evenly so that it looks like it's your real skin. Again, really, really fast. The next step is to use this other brush for your eyebrows. So go ahead and brush your eyebrows. I don't know why you would do this. You want to brush your eyebrows so that they don't come off of your face like three-dimensionally. You want them flat, so flatten your eyebrows up. Paint around your eyebrows in case they're not already eyebrow shaped, and color them in again in case they don't look enough like eyebrows already. Get the left one. Okay, the right one. And then go ahead and fluff them up. And then you want your Anastasia stick. You're going to use this on your lips, and that's it. You'll be done with that real quick. Then take your pink stick, and again we're going to hit the eyebrows because we want under them to look real pink. Then you take your big pink book, which has all your face colors. Use that to create a rosy hue. And then again, wow, the eyebrows again. One more time on the eyebrows. You can never spend too much time on your eyebrows. Now this next piece is really important. This is your Kylie, more Kylie stuff. Now you use this on the outline of your lips to create the effect that your lips are larger than they are. You want really big lips. And then you fill them in with this other part. Make sure the colors match. This will create a nice pinky rose tone. And the next step, you want to take a brush and use your colors again. Now this time we're going to do the eyes. Now you want your eyes to be orange. This is obviously for obvious reasons. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Now the next step is to take your sandy brown color on top of the orange. The sandy brown helps create that skin tone color that you want around your eyes. Next, you take this lighter brown called Birthday Girl and also put that on your eyes. You want 3 different colors on your eyes so that no one can copy your eye look. Then you want another color inside the corners of your eyes. This is to create tears so that your eyes don't dry up. Now for the eyelashes, you take your eyelash brush and you just comb them. Comb them like you're spiking your hair and you're a teenage boy going to the prom. Then take your Urban Decay Chill. Now get your chill out and just spray the whole face. This will lock everything into place so that all of those colors and textures stay right where they are now. And it will also help you chill. It has a chilling effect. And there you go. Now you're ready for your day. Like this video if it made you laugh or something. I don't know. Just hit the like button. It's right there. It's free. What's the difference? So if you like this video, please subscribe. Over here you can click on Phae's face to subscribe. Here are a couple other videos that are similar. They can't be too similar. Comment down below on, do you do anything different for your routine, or is it pretty much the same thing I described here? Thank you guys. See you later.